We have weekend storms in the forecast, and it's going to threaten areas that were just involved in the deadly tornado outbreak this past weekend. It is always a high concern when areas go under threat back to back, but especially considering what has happened. I mean, over 100 confirmed tornadoes from last weekend's outbreak. It's going to start on Saturday outside of that zone. We're looking at parts of Kansas and Oklahoma, but eventually it drifts into areas that have already been hit, Missouri and parts of Arkansas. This is a level 1 out of 5 for Saturday, so it's a limited, isolated threat, and it looks like the biggest potential for damage would be large hail. Now, as we go into Sunday, that's when it ramps up. So we have this storm that's kind of ejecting into the central plains and diving into the southeast. That southerly trajectory is going to drop a lot of Gulf moisture, and that's going to support these thunderstorms. We have a level 2 out of 5. Notice that it has been expanded since what we were looking at yesterday. In fact, now they're including the Tennessee Valley. So we're kind of having a bigger catch here of how many Americans will be impacted. Craig, this is a look at the outbreak from last weekend.
Right.
So the lineup here and the overlay, it's concerning. I mean, the first time you go through a tornado warning, I mean, it's only been a week, and that is a lot for people to wrap their head around.
And here we go again, and now looking at the Storm Prediction Center, now there's some talk of possible tornadoes. This is the first we introduced that because it's been so far out. We were talking with you about this yesterday, saying this was likely going to change, and it did as far as area, and it could still change again because it is on Sunday. We're still quite a ways out, but nonetheless, being ready for this and being ready to have your plan in place. More of the ingredients coming together. You've got the rising air. You've got more in the way of wind shear. The storm is going to dive far down to the south, pick up a whole lot more moisture off of the Gulf, and that's going to be another concern there because this one just goes right down out of the northern Rockies and straight to the south and then picks up that moisture. Chance for the hail potential certainly there, especially as we go through Sunday afternoon, especially over portions of Texas. It is hail season, I guess, this time of year.
It is hail season. Spring and hail goes hand in hand for the state of Texas. Carport, garage, you got to protect your property.
That'll be on Sunday afternoon, and of course we'll watch for the chance for some of those damaging winds. Flash flood threat with some heavy rain. Think of the moisture that this is picking up and squeezing out all of that moisture. Sunday into Monday from portions of, say, Texas through Louisiana, Mississippi, even into portions of Tennessee. It does include Chattanooga, just south of Memphis here on the western side for West Tennessee. Could be dealing with heavy rain. How much? The forecast right now calling for a few inches, 2 inches at some cases, and with some of the hills there, that'll be a concern for us, especially this weekend into Monday.
And a tricky thing is when it comes to Gulf moisture, these thunderstorms can pump out 1 to 2 inches of rain within hours.
Quick, short time.